Why do some people crave sex more intensely than others? Emerging neuroscience suggests the answer lies in their brain structure. Studies reveal that individuals with high sexual desire often show distinct differences in regions like the hypothalamus, which regulates primal drives, and the amygdala, linked to emotional intensity. These variations may explain why libido levels vary so widely across individuals. But what exactly sets these brains apart? Let's dive into the science. Three key brain regions govern sexual desire. The hypothalamus acts as the body's libido accelerator, the amygdala amplifies emotional responses to sexual stimuli, and the prefrontal cortex regulates impulses. In high desire individuals, neuroimaging shows these areas communicate more intensely, like a highway with fewer speed bumps. For instance, a thicker hypothalamus may produce stronger cravings, while a hyperactive amygdala could heighten pleasure perception. But how do we know these differences aren't just random variations? Groundbreaking MRI studies provide concrete proof. When comparing brain scans, researchers found that sexually driven individuals have up to 20% more gray matter volume in desire-related regions. Their neural pathways also show denser connectivity, like upgraded broadband for sexual signals. One longitudinal study even tracked how frequent sexual activity expanded these areas over time, suggesting neuroplasticity plays a role. But this raises a critical question. Are these differences innate, or do they develop through experience? Twin studies indicate genetics account for 30 to 60% of libido variation, pointing to an innate component. Yet neuroplasticity proves our brains adapt to experiences. Repeated sexual stimulation can physically enlarge responsive regions. It's a feedback loop. Predisposition may lead to more activity, which further modifies the brain. This duality explains why some people report shifts in desire after lifestyle changes. But beyond biology, how do these neural differences actually impact daily life? These neural differences shape everything from relationship dynamics to self-identity. Partners with mismatched libidos often struggle because their brains literally process desire differently. Some individuals channel heightened sexuality into creative expression, while others risk compulsive behaviors. Crucially, recognizing this as a biological variation, not moral failing, reduces stigma. As we close, remember, whether your brain is a sports car or a sedan in the desire department, understanding its wiring fosters both self-awareness and empathy for others.